Good morning, students. The last class, two sums completed. 10.3, 4 sums completed. Now write 4 sum completed. Now write down problem number 5. What is problem number 5 in 10.3? From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, there is a very big circle of radius 15 centimeters. A sector with angle 216 is cut out and its bounding radii are bent so as to form a cone. Find its volume. See the problem again, read the problem again. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, there is a circle. There is a very big circle of radius 15 centimeters. There is a circle of radius 15 centimeters. O is the center of the circle. Let us assume O is the center of the circle. There is a circle of radius 15 centimeters. So there is a circle. Radius of the circle, very big circle, 15 centimeters. There is a circle of radius 15 centimeters. A sector with angle 216 degrees. Sector with angle 216 degrees is cut out. There is a sector, not exactly according to size. There is a sector. Okay na? Angle 216 degrees. So this is only rough diagram, not by taking measurements. There is a sector of radius bounding. There is a sector of 216 degrees is cut out. This is also 15. It is a sector. Is cut out. It is a sector. Is cut out and its bounding radii are bent as to form a cone with its volume. Means they want to convert sector into cone. Okay na? So see the word bounding. See the word bounding means we need to find out what we need to find out. Length of the arc of the sector means this one. This is arc of the sector. Length of the arc of the sector. So they want to convert into cone finally. This is cone diagram, you know. This is cone. This is known as arc. This is arc. A-R-C, arc. This is arc. Arc of the sector. We need to find out length of the arc of the sector, number 1. Number 2, perimeter of the base of a cone. Perimeter of the base of a cone. That means bounding. Bounding means we need to find out length of the arc of the sector. Number 2, perimeter of the base of a cone. Both are equal. Length to perimeter same according to sector. Okay, right? Then what we need to find out? Solution. First, radius of the circle. Radius of the circle equal how much? 15 centimeters. Not only radius of the circle, and it is also radius of the sector also. Radius of the sector becomes slant height of the cone. You know, this is radius of the circle, radius of the sector. When it comes to cone, it becomes slant height. This is known as slant height in cone. Remember, radius of the circle, radius of the sector, both are same. And slant height of the cone equal. Okay, right? So this is nothing but slant height for cone. This is cone slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. This is center. This is height of the cone. This is radius of the cone. Cone diagram you know. Slant height and radius. So radius of the circle 15 centimeters. First do about sector. Sector. Do about sector. X means angle made by sector at the center. X means angle made by sector at the center. X how much? 216 degrees. Then radius 15 centimeters. radius of the circle, radius of the sector, both are equal and they are also equal to slant height of the cone. So remember, radius of the sector equal to radius of the circle equal to slant height of the cone. All are same. Then length of the arc of a sector. Length of the arc of a sector. Length of the arc of a sector. Formula x by 360 into 2 pi r. X by 360 into 2 pi r. X means 216 by 360 into 2 pi. Don't write pi value. Later we will do pi cancellation. Keep pi as it is into r value 15. R value 15. So length of the arc of a sector. Bounding means we need to find out length of the arc of a sector. X by 360 into 2 pi r. 216 by 360 into 2 pi into r 15. Cancellation. Do cancellation directly 72 table 3 times 72 table, or you can start from 2 table also, your wish. 72 table 3 times, 72 table 5 times, then 5 cancel 3, 15 cancel 3 times. What we get? 3 into 2 pi into 3, 18 pi. 18 pi. See again about sector. Angle how much? 216 degrees. Radius how much? 15 centimeters. Length of the arc of a sector. X by 360 into 2 pi r. X how much? 216 by 360 into 2 into pi into r 15. 72 table, remember 72 table cancel. How many times? 3 times. How many times? 5 times. 5 cancel, 15 cancel 3 times. What is left? 3 into 2 pi into 3, 18 pi. That is length of the arc of a sector. Next about cone. Now we need to find out perimeter of the base of a cone. Perimeter of the base of a cone. Cone. Perimeter of the base of a cone equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter of the base of a cone equal to 2 pi r. Then let us equate. Both are equal. Okay na? Perimeter of base of cone equal to length of arc of sector. Both are equal. That is the meaning of bounding. Both are equal. Perimeter of base of a cone equal to length of the arc of a sector. 2 pi r equal to 18 pi. 2 pi r equal to 18 pi. 2 pi r equal to 18 pi. Pi cancel. What is left? 2r equal to 18. R equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9. So radius of the cone how much? 9. R equal to 9. Radius of the cone how much? 9. First part sector. Second part cone. Perimeter of the base of a cone 2 pi r. So bounding means perimeter of the base of a cone equal to length of the arc of a sector. 2 pi r equal to 18 pi. Pi cancel. 2r equal to 18. R equal to 18 by 2. 9. Next I told one more. By seeing the diagram I told one more point already. What is that? What is that? The radius of the sector equal to slant height of the cone. Slant height of cone equal to 15 centimeters. Okay na? Radius of the sector equal to slant height of the cone equal to 15. Implies L equal to 15. L value 15. Then what is the relation between L, R, H in cone? In cone, what is the relation between N, L, R, H? L square equal to R square plus H square. The relation between slant height, radius to height. L square equal to R square plus H square. 15 square equal to 9 square plus H square. 15 square how much? 225. 15 square how much? 225. 9 square how much? 81 plus H square. Okay na? So H square equal to 225 minus 81. Then H square equal to 144. H equal to root square becomes root 144. H equal to root 12 whole square. H equal to square root cancel 12. See again. Radius of the sector equal to slant height of the cone equal to 15 centimeters. So L means slant height. What is L? Slant height. L equal to 15. What is the relation between L, R, H? L square equal to R square plus H square. L square means 15 square. R square means 9 square. 15 square how much? 225. 9 square how much? 81 plus H square. 81 is moving to left side. H square equal to 225 minus 81. H square equal to 144. H square becomes root. H equal to root 144. 144 can be written as 12 whole square. Square root cancel. H equal to 12. Finally, what we need to find out? Volume of the cone. Final step. Volume of the cone. Volume of cone. What is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7 into what is r square? 9 into 9 into what is h? 12. 1/3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 9 into 9 into 12. See cancellation. What is left? 3 cancel, 12 cancel 4 times. So what is the value of 22 by 7 you know? What is 22 by 7 you know? 3.14 into 3.14 into 9 into 9 into 4. 9 9s are 81. 9 9 are 81 into 4. 81 into 4. 3.14 into 4 1 are 4. 4 8 are 32. 324. Then do multiplication. 3.14 into 324. 3.14 into 324. How much? 3.14 into 324. Do multiplication. 3.14 into 324. 314 into 324. Do multiplication. 324 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 1 9. 4 3s are 12. 1296. 324 into 1. 324 plus 129. 13 5 4 453. 453. 324 into 3. How much? 972. 972 45. How much? 7 11 10. 1017. So 10 how much? 101736. Point is there. 1017.36 centimeter cube. See again, volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7, r square 9 into 9, h value 12, h value is 12, 3 cancel, 12 cancel, how many times? 3, 12, 4 times, 3 cancel, 12 cancel, 4 times. Then what is left? Pi value 22 by 7 means 3.14 into 9 9s are 81 into 4. 9 9s are 81 into 4. So 22 by 7 means 3.14. 9 9s are 81 into 4. 81 into 4 how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 32. Then multiplication 3.14 into 324. Multiply how much? This is 1296. Again 324 into 1, 324 plus 129, 453. Then 324 into 3, how much? 972 plus 45, 7, 11, 10. 1017.36 centimeter cube. What is the first part? Length of the arc of a sector. What is the second part? Perimeter of the base of a cone. What is the third part? Both are equal. Perimeter of the base of a cone equal to length of the arc of a sector. There you are getting r value 9. And this is very important point. What is that? Radius of the sector equal to slant height of the cone equal to 15. L value 15. What is the relation between L, R, H? L means slant height like this. Slant height means like this. Height means like this. Radius means like this. L square equal to R square plus H square. L how much? 15 square equal to 9 square plus H square. 15 15 are 225. Then R square means 9 square 81. H square equal to 144. H equal to root 144. How to write 144? 12 whole square. Square root cancel. H equal to 12. Then volume of the cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7 into r square 9 into 9 into h 12. 3 cancel, 12 cancel 4 times. Then 22 by 7 value 3.14. Already you know it. 9 9s are 81 into 4. 81 into 4 324. Multiply these two. What we get? 1017.36 centimeter cube. In the next class, we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.